Hello. So this is a question from IPM Indore 2024 paper QASA section. As we have just said that this is a question of three. There are three questions. So we have already discussed first question. So this is the second one. So the data has already been discussed, but I will still repeat whatever we have discussed in the previous question so that those who are watching it for the first time, they can also understand. So we are given 8 companies, A to H. The number of employees in these companies, again, simple. And this is the interesting data, that is the median age of all the employees in these companies. So for example, there are 32 employees in company A, and these 32 employees have median age 24. So what is the meaning of median first of all? The meaning is that if we arrange these 32 employees in ascending or descending order according to their age, then there will be 2 employees at 16th and 17th position. They will be the middlemost employees of these 32. So the average age of these two is called the median age. So it is a possibility that both of them are of 24 years of age, then the average will be 24. It is a possibility that one of them is 23, other is 25, then again the average will be 24. The one can be 22, other can be 26, then again the average will be 24. So all of them are the possibilities. So the age of this employee, the 17th employee, cannot be more than 29. So if this age is 29, this age can be 19, right? So these two can be the ages. So the average will again be 24, and hence the median age of this group will be 24. So why am I saying that this age cannot be more than 29? It is because of the data given ahead. So another point is, it is known that the age of all employees are integers. That means if someone is 24 years, 6 months or 7 months, the person is still 24 years. Okay. It is known that the age of every employee in A is strictly less than the age of every employee in B. So what does this mean? It means eldest employee in A has to be younger than the youngest employee in B. So eldest in A must be younger than the youngest in B, right? So that is the information given here. It is known that the age of every employee in A is strictly less than that of every employee in B. So this is the information, and that is true for all the companies. The eldest employee of B will be younger than the youngest employee of C, and so on. It goes on. Right. Also, one more thing that we can deduce from this table is when it says that the median age of the employees in company B is 30. So, what does that mean? What can we say about the possible age of the youngest person in company B? Because the median age is 30, the age of the youngest person in company B cannot be more than 30. Because if the youngest person is of 31 years of age, then the person who lies exactly in the middle of the group, that means 14th and 15th, they have to be at least 31 years of age or more than that. And if that is the case, then the median cannot be 30. Right? That means the age of the youngest employee in company B, it should be less than or equal to 30. Similarly, the age of the oldest employee or the eldest employee in company B, that must be more than or equal to 30. If the eldest employee of company B is of 29 years of age, that means the person at 14th and 15th position has to be less than 29 or at least 29. And if that is the case, the again median age cannot be 30. So the eldest employee must be more than or equal to 30 and the youngest employee must be less than or equal to 30. Now look at this sign, equal. There is an equal sign in both, right? So what does that mean, this equal sign? It means that everybody can be 30 years of age. If we are talking about company B, that means that everybody can be 30 years of age. Right? Youngest, eldest, the middle ones, everyone can be 30 years of age. Then also the median age of the company B will be 30. Right? But the point is, the age of the youngest employee cannot exceed 30. So now let us look at the question. I think we have understood the data pretty well now. So let us look at the question. In company F, the lowest possible sum of the ages of all the employees. So company F is here. There are 29 employees. So if the number of employees is 29, there is only one person which is in the middle of the group. That is the 15th position person. And the median age of this group is 54. That means at least one person has the specific age 54. For others, we are not sure. So we are asked what is the lowest possible sum of all the ages of employees in company F. So now how do we get the lowest possible age? One person is surely 54 years. The person is 15th position person. So I will slightly move the board. So now if we, right. So let us talk about company F. There are 29 employees. This is the 15th position employee and then the rest. This person has 54 years of age. Now let us also look at the companies which are above and below company F. So we have company E where the median age is 49. Then we have company G where the median age is 59. Right? And we want to have the lowest possible sum of all the ages of company F. That means we have to have the minimum possible age of all the employees. If this employee has 54 years of age, the others can also have 54 years of age. Right? Others are bound to have more age than 54 or they can have equal age as 54 but not less. So because these employees cannot have an age lesser than 54, otherwise they will come to this side and this cannot be the 15th position, right? This is in the middle. That means all other employees after 15th position, they are either 54 years of age or more. And because we want to have them the minimum possible age, so we will put it as 54. Now, what can we say about these persons? They can also have 54 years of age, technically, but that is not the minimum possible age for these 14 employees. इनके लिए minimum possible age कुछ और कम भी हो सकता है, because the question is what is the total sum, minimum possible sum of all these employees. So these 14 employees can be of age which is slightly less than 54. So how do we get to that age? तो इसके लिए we will go to company E. In company E, the median age is 49. So what we can say here is the eldest employee is more than or equal to 49. For company E, we can say the eldest employee of company E will be more than or equal to 49. That means eldest employee of company E can be of 49 years of age as well. That also means that the youngest employee of company F, which is after E, the youngest employee in company F will have an age which is more than 49. That means youngest employee in company F can have an age 50 years, because we were given a condition that every employee in company F is elder than every employee in company E. So that way we can say that youngest employee in company F can be of 50 years of age. And in fact, all these 14 employees can be of same age. It will not alter any condition, it will not change any data. So we can give 50 years to everybody. So these 14 employees are 50 years of age. So their total age is 50 into 14. And these 15 employees are of 50 years of age. So 54 into 15. So if we add all of this, so it becomes 600 and this becomes, right? So the total becomes 1410. So that will be the answer. So the answer is 1410. Thank you.